The CBI now has issued a notice, viewers, to the PWD department with regards to the construction and renovation work that has been carried out in the RG Kar Medical College in the last 3 years. Now remember, right after this horrific crime that took place on the 9th of August, we had shown you some pictures of the renovation work that was taking place right next to the seminar hall. Now we are getting to know the CBI has sought details of all the work that was carried out by the PWD's two wings, and that is the electrical and the civil wings. Let's go back to Adrija. She is at the protest of the Trinamool Congress. But right now, Adrija, we're getting information that the CBI is seeking information on the renovation work. And there are many who had alleged that this renovation work was carried out in order to tamper with the crime scene. And this was even before the CBI had come in and had taken over the investigation. What's the latest information when it comes to the kind of information that the CBI is seeking?
Well, you see, we have seen that, just beside a wall was being demolished just beside the crime scene. That is the seminar hall of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, which the Kolkata police time and again have come out and have mentioned that, no evidence was tampered because in the seminar hall, which is the scene of crime, was sealed and no one has trespassed into that particular area. That is what the Kolkata police have been mentioning from the time this particular information come up. Now, of course, the CBI is also going there. The CBI has visited the site several times. Even, after that, we have seen that on the ground floor was demolished on 14th of August, where a group of mob had entered the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. But, of course, the CBI going there, the CBI in court also, they have mentioned in Supreme Court when the matter was being heard, they have also mentioned that there is a possibility of destruction, tampering of evidence, and at the same time, the parents of the victim, while hearing the court, they have also, makes similar claims. So, of course, this is a very serious allegation. But on the other hand, Calcutta Police very clearly mentions that nothing of such has happened.
And as the outrage grows, Adrija, we have personalities from the film and entertainment genre who are now coming out and expressing their solidarity.